Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify RAG context quality using OpenAI evaluation datasets. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify RAG context quality using OpenAI evaluation datasets, start by accessing the OpenAI evaluation repository. Familiarize yourself with the relevant datasets provided by OpenAI. Download the datasets that pertain to your specific evaluation needs. Ensure you have the necessary software and dependencies installed for data processing. Load the downloaded datasets into your preferred programming environment. Examine the structure and contents of the data files to understand their format. Identify the evaluation criteria relevant to RAG context quality. Set up a framework to assess the context quality based on these criteria. Develop a clear scoring methodology for evaluating each context piece. Begin with a small sample of the data for initial testing. Implement the scoring methodology on this sample to ensure its effectiveness. Review the results from the initial scoring to refine your methodology if needed. Once satisfied, apply your methodology to the full dataset. Compile the results into a report for further analysis. Analyze the compiled data to identify patterns or areas for improvement. Iterate on your methodology as necessary based on your findings. Document your process thoroughly for future reference. Consider sharing your results with peers for additional insights. Finally, adapt your approach based on feedback or new information as it arises. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.